alikuwa Mombasa?
Yes.
Even before the wedding, I talked to him about it.
Yeah.
And I was expecting that he was going to talk with you as well.
No, the president has not told me.
Okay, labda kwa sababu alikuwa na kazi mingi.
Yes.
Lakini mukae na yeye sasa kwa sababu he's got the name.
Yeah, of the boss.
And you have, the boss, yes.
Okay.
And you have already met her as well.
Yeah.
All I can say is that she's good.
Okay. But remind me her name again. I don't have the Anne.
No, Jane.
Jane.
Weru. W-E.
Okay, Jane Weru.
W-E-R-U. Weru.
So let me. I'll talk to the boss, not on phone.
Yeah.
Tukikutana kama akiniambia, then we will see what to do.
People who are not going to come there and start a lot of
they run away like my friends.
Exactly.
Sawa, mimi sina shida.
Asante.
Mimi provided boss umgusie.
Muongee na yeye hata wewe umwambie
But you are sure he's aware, the boss is aware?
Oh yes. Oh yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Lakini alisema siku ile ulikuwa Mombasa, alisema ukirudi mtaongea.
Okay, sawa.
Yeah, he is aware, and you just tell him that I am the one who brought her.
Okay.
Kwa sababu ukimwambia hivyo atakumbuka.
Sawa.
Yes.
Jane Weru.
Because I told him exactly that I brought her and recommended her to you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay then.
Okay, Governor.
Okay, asante.
Asante, barikiwe sana.